In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Find and Replace in Excel. This is a simple feature that saves you a lot of time when you need to update repeated text across a worksheet. Whether you are fixing a spelling mistake, changing a label, or updating a value that appears many times, Find and Replace helps you do it quickly and accurately. To begin, press Ctrl+H on your keyboard. As soon as you do, Excel will open the Find and Replace dialog box. Take a moment to locate the two main areas in this window, one for what you want to search for, and one for what you want to replace it with. This is the core of the tool, so it is helpful to understand what each box is for before you start typing. Next, type your search text into the Find What Data input field box. This is the exact text, number, or short phrase you want Excel to look for in your sheet. Be careful to enter it exactly as it appears. Find and Replace typically matches what you type, so even small differences like extra spaces or different capitalization can affect the results. After you type the search text, Excel is ready to start scanning for matching entries. Now that your search text is in place, you can set the new value. Type your new target text into the Replace with Input field box. This is what Excel will insert in place of each match. Again, try to enter the replacement exactly how you want it to appear in your data. If you are changing a word, you may want to double-check spelling. If you are changing a number, confirm it is the correct format. Once both boxes are filled, you are ready to preview and control the changes. Before making any changes, it is a good idea to confirm that Excel is finding what you expect. Click Find Next to preview the very first matching target cell location. After you click Find Next, Excel will move to the first cell that matches your search text. The matching cell is usually highlighted, so you can clearly see what will be replaced. Take a brief moment to look at the active cell and verify that it contains the correct text you meant to update. When you confirm the first match is correct, you can replace it. Click Replace to update that single active highlighted record item instantly. This action changes only the currently selected matching cell. It is a good approach when you want to review each match one by one, especially if your sheet contains similar values and you want to make sure every replacement is correct. After the replacement, Excel will typically be ready to find the next match. If you are confident that every instance should be updated, you can replace everything at once. Click Replace All to instantly update every matching instance across your sheet. This is the fastest option, and it is ideal when you are doing a straightforward global update, like correcting a repeated label or standardizing a term. Because this will change multiple cells immediately, it is important that your Find What and Replace with entries are correct before you click. After Excel performs the global replacement, you may want to close the window and return to your workflow. Click Close to exit out of the Operational Modification window panel. This will take you back to your worksheet so you can review the updated data. If you still need to make additional changes later, you can reopen the same dialog and repeat the process with new search and replacement values. To summarize, you open the tool with Ctrl+H, enter the text you are searching for in Find What, enter the new text in Replace With, and then choose how you want to apply the changes. You can preview with Find Next, update one match with Replace, update everything with Replace All, and then exit with Close. That covers everything you need to know.